Hello, this is Frank Conjul with Zeiss with another video walkthrough for Zeiss CALYPSO Programming Level 1, Exercise 4. Exercise 4 begins on page 90. In this exercise, you will complete 5 separate alignments using the Legos provided. For alignment number 1, please fixture the Legos on the CMM as shown. In CALYPSO, we will begin by creating a new measurement plan, verifying that CALYPSO acknowledges the star is in the sensor and the down probe is active. We can then move on to the measurement tab, open up our base alignment screen. We can then move on to the measurement tab, open up our base alignment screen, and hit OK. This will open up our template. We can now begin probing the part to create our features to fill into the base alignment. We'll start with the top plane using 4 points on the top. Once we accept this plane, CALYPSO should then fill out our rotation in space and our Z origin. The next instruction is to measure the front plane and then finally the side plane. This front plane should fill in our planar rotation and our Y origin, and finally we can measure the side plane. And that's it. The alignment is now complete. Move on to alignment number 2 by clicking File, New, opening a new base alignment template. Alignment number 2 instructs that we use a cylinder, a plane, and a circle around the right piece. Here we will begin by measuring the cylinder on the left side first. Once we hit OK, the cylinder will be inserted for rotation in space, X origin, and Y origin. The next feature to probe is the plane on top of the cylinder. The plane on top is a suitable Z origin. The final feature to probe is the circle around the right piece. and this is a suitable planar rotation. This alignment is now complete. To move on to alignment 3, we'll click File, New, and open up a blank base alignment template. In alignment number 3, we'll be required to measure a cylinder, a plane on top of the cylinder, and a plane on the front face. I'll begin by measuring a cylinder. This cylinder, same as the last alignment, will be filled in for the rotation in space, X origin, and Y origin. The next feature to probe is the plane on top of the cylinder. This is a suitable Z origin. The final feature to probe is a plane on the front face of the base assembly. The cylinder has been removed to be able to probe the front plane. The base alignment is now complete. To move on to alignment number 4, we will click File, New, open up a blank base alignment template. Alignment number 4 instructs for a plane on top of all 3 round pieces, a circle on the left piece, and a circle on the right piece. We will take 1 point on each Lego. This is a suitable rotation in space as well as Z origin. The next feature to probe is the circle on the left piece. This is a suitable X and Y origin. The final feature to measure is a circle on the right piece. This alignment is now complete. Once you're ready for the final alignment, click File, New. This alignment yields a challenge to where we won't open the base alignment template first. If we take a look at what is being asked, a plane on top of the base plate will be our rotation in space. Using the circle on the left and the circle on the right, we must get the base alignment in between the two. For this alignment, we won't open up the base alignment first. We will just go ahead and create the features. From here, we can create a construction symmetry between circle 1 and circle 2. This will give us a middle point. We can then complete our base alignment by choosing the top plane, the X origin, and the Y origin. Our symmetry, and either circle 1 or circle 2 will be a good planar rotation. This base alignment is now complete. Please send a picture of your base alignment screen as well as your CAD window to your instructor.